Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss some more sums based on trigonometric identity. The first one that I will discuss right now, that is, we have to prove that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, it's equals to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. So the sum, if I transfer everything to sin theta cos theta, so sin theta divided by cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So if I take the LCM, my numerator will be sin theta by cos theta divided by sin theta as LCM, so it will be sin theta minus cos theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta divided by LCM cos theta, so cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So if we just adjust these mixed fractions, now this sin theta will go up, so it will be sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus, so this will be cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Just check, over there we have sin theta minus cos theta and over there we have cos theta minus sin theta. So if I take minus common there, just check, the things will be, sorry, I should not imply sign all these cases, this should be equals to sign, right? Because I am not taking an equation, I am just solving anything. So the sum will be now sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So LCM, if I will take, LCM will be sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Numerator will be sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. The formula a cube minus b cube after this, a cube minus b cube formula, I guess all of you know by now, that is a minus b. The factorization formula I am going to use because I can cancel out this term, right? A square plus b square plus ab divided by sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. This will be cancelled out. Now please be very careful for this proof. I will show one more proof for this sum. For this proof, don't use sin square theta plus cos square theta as 1. So instead of using 1, what I will do, I will just divide this term. Now sin square theta divided by this, what I will get, sin theta cancel out, that is tan theta. Plus, if I will divide this to term, 1 cos theta will be cancelled out, so it will be cot theta, plus if I will divide this to term, I will get 1. Proof done. In the same sum, if I will use sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So 1 divided by this, what I will get, that is 1 divided by sin theta cos theta, that will be sec theta cosec theta. This by this, that will be 1. So proof can come this way also. So it was not given in the proof, but I am just showing you this proof. Next one is a very important one. Please do remember, many times I will use this concept different times. So a sin theta plus b cos theta equals to c. We need to find out the value of b sin theta minus a cos theta. Just check whatever was there in the coefficient of sin theta and cos theta, what required, the required expression, the coefficient just exchanges and plus sign changes to minus. So for this sum, what I will do, I will just square it. Very first step, so a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to c square, right? Now what is there with coefficient of a? That is cos theta, but here it is sin theta. So I will write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta I will write as 1 minus sin square theta, plus 2ab sin theta cos theta equals to c square. Now if I will further explain this, a square minus a square cos square theta plus b square minus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta equals to c square. I'm going to keep that a square, b square, I'm going to take c square from this side, so it will be a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta, right? So now if I will arrange this term in this way, so I can write a square plus b square minus c square equals to b sin theta whole square minus 2b sin theta into a cos theta plus a cos theta whole square. So what is my right hand side? That is b sin theta minus a cos theta whole square. So if I will take the square root both sides, so b sin theta minus a cos theta, that will be plus minus root over of a square plus b square minus c square. I am going to use this sum many times. Suppose the sum is given like this: a sin theta plus b cos theta equals to root over of a square plus b square. Find the value of tan theta. If you don't know how to use this formula, what is your a here? A only. B here is b, and c here is this. So if I will find out the value of a square plus b square minus c square, this will be this. So the answer is 0. So using this, can we write that b sin theta, I am just going to use the coefficient, I am just going to exchange, and sin will become minus. That will be equals to plus minus root over of a square plus b square minus c square, that is 0, right? So b sin theta minus a cos theta is becoming 0. So b sin theta equals to a cos theta. So sin theta divided by cos theta equals to a divided by b. Hence tan theta equals to a divided by b. You don't know this procedure, the sums will be huge. You have to identify this form many times. Next sum, if I will do, if I will say this 1 divided by sin square theta cos square theta, and I have to prove this as 6 square theta plus cosec square theta. What I am going to do this? So clearly you can guess that this one I am going to replace by the required identity of sin square theta and cos square theta. And what is the identity? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta cos square theta. So this divided by this, if I will do, sin square theta cancel out, hence I will get 1 divided by cos square theta plus this divided by this, I will do, cos square theta cancel out, that is 1 divided by sin square theta, 1 divided by cos square theta is 6 square theta, 1 divided by sin square theta is cosec square theta. So proof done. From identity you can have more than 200 sums. Just practice. If there is any problem, write in the comment box or write in the WhatsApp so that I can solve it for you. Thank you.